So guys, in today's video we are going to see that how one can determine the log of a given number without using your calculator and even your log table. I repeat, without using your calculator and even our log table. So first important thing we have to remember is, in order to find a log of a given number, one has to know the log numbers from 1 to 10. That is, you should know the values from log 1 to log 10. Of course, you can ask me, sir, how to remember it? Because they are the numbers. Of course, it will be a difficult task for us. But don't worry, in this video, we'll make that impossible thing to be possible. So as I mentioned, first you have to remember the log. Okay, I will just use my new page from the values of log 1 to log 10. First, let me write it. So log 1, log 2, log 3, log 4, log 5, log 6, log 7, log 8, log 9, log 10. So first our duty is to know these log values. But don't worry, we are not going to remember all these values. Only 2 to 3 values we are going to remember. From those values itself we are going to extract other log values. How is that possible, sir? So for making it confirmation or for knowing that one, we have to know importantly basic formulas of log. What are those? Of course, log of A into B can be written as how? Yes, log A plus log B. One important formula. Similarly, log of A divided by B can be written as how? Very good. Log A minus log B. Next important part, log x to the power of y can be written as y into log x. Is that clear? So now let us deal with to finding the log of values from 1 to log 10. Okay. So first remember, log 1 is equals to 0.000. Are you getting my point? Log 1 is how much? 0.000. Log 2. Okay. You just, for those who can remember it, first I'll give you the number 0.3010. Of course, when we were deriving the first order reactions T half, so we know that T half of a first order reaction was 0.693 divided by K. But if you just see that derivation part, that was a value of ln 2. So ln 2 was how much? 0.693. Why I am saying this? Because of course you will be remembering the formula. From that formula itself you can just make a cross verification and you can obtain the value of log 2, because there we have used the value of log 2. Of course we know that when ln is converted to log, what we have to do? We have to multiply. That is 2 into 2.303 into log 2 gives us what? Ln 2 value. Are you getting my point? 2.303 into log 2. That means what? Of course we were having ln 2 is how much? 0.693. So 0.693 divided by 2.303 gives you how much? 0.3010. This is the value. I'm just saying this because you will be remembering the ln 2 value. If you're not trying to remember this log 2, you can just derive from that part. Is that clear? So this one you have to remember, log 1 is 0. Log 2 is 0.3010. Log 3 you will be having 0.4770. That is 0.477. Okay. No need to remember log 4. We are going to derive this. Okay. Easy way. Log 5. Please do remember 0.698. How much? 0.698. Then you have to remember log 7, which is equals to 0.8 4, 8, 5. My favorite number. I will just say why is it so. So guys, now whatever the numbers I have said to you to remember, I'll give just you one hint how to remember that. Of course, log 1, we know it is 0. But see, in all these cases, after point only we are going to get the numbers. Why is it so? Because log 10 we know it is 1.00. So from 0 to 1 itself, the overall number has to lie. So one important hint is what? Whatever the number we are going to get, it will be after point itself. The first number will be all 0 itself. Okay, before point or before decimal, it will be 0. So when you are coming with respect to 2, see, when it is 2, after point it is 3. When it is 3, after point it is 4. When it is 5, after point it is 6. When it is 7, after point is 8. So that means what? Whatever the log value are there, you have to just add +1. You will be getting the second digit after, or you will be getting the first digit after the decimal. Are you getting my point? This is the first hint. Then afterwards, you have to just remember the two decimals. Okay, that is 0, 1. So in the log 2, you are having 0.3010. Of course, for log 3, you will be knowing this much, 0.4. Alva, 3 plus 1, 0.4. After 4, 7, 7. Okay. Similarly, 5. So we know one thing, after point, 5 plus 1, 6. So 0.698. After 7, sorry, log 7, 7 plus 1. So after point, 0.8. Then 8, 4. See, this is very important number. First 8 you will be knowing, then 8, 4. Once again 8 comes, 4 plus 1, 5. 0.8485. Nice number, alva. 0.8485. This is for log 7. Now let us see how can we get log 4, log 6, log 8, log 9 part. Okay, by using this formulas. So of course now log 4, alva, log 4. How can you write this? This can be written as log of 2 square. Yes, log of 2 square, which is of the form log of x to the power of y. That means 2 into log 2. I can write it in way. Y here, this 2. Log x is log 2. So of course what? 2 into log 2 means I know it is 0.3010. So 0.3010. So now what you will be getting the value for log 4? 2 into 0.3010 will be, yes, 0.6, yes, 02. So log 4 is how much? 0.602. Can we verify it? Okay. So first let me on my calci. So we have found for log 4. Oh, sorry. Log 4. How much you are getting? 0.6020. Nearly we have also got the same value, 0.602. Is that clear? Coming with respect to now log 6. Okay. So let me first close this. Okay. Okay, so it has been 0. I kept it aside. Okay, log 6. How can you do that one now? Yeah, log of, I can write it as log of 2 into 3. Alva, 2 into 3 means 6. So we know that log of a into b can be written as how? Log a plus log b. So this can be given as log 2 plus log 3. Yes. So we know log 2 is how much? 0.3010 plus log 3 is 0.477. 0.477. So now what will be the value you will be getting? Nearly when you add this one, so you will be getting as nearly 0.778. Yes. So log 6 is 0.778. Let us check it. So where is my log? Log we have done for 6. So log 6 is 0.778. So we have also got the same answer. Can you just try for log 8 now? How can we do for log 8? So log 8 can be written as log of 2 cube. Alva, 2 into 2 into 2. That means 8. That is 2 cube. So we know it is of the form log of x to the power of y. So this can be written as how? X into log y. That is 3 into log 2. So 3 into log 2 is 0.3010. So how much you will be getting? So nearly 0.9030. Alva, log 8 is 0.9030. Yes or no? So let us check it now. So okay, it's log 6 ittalva. First let us so log of what we have done for 8th one, we have calculated log 8 is 0.9030. Getting my point? Yes, 0.9030. What do you do for 9 now? Log 9, how can you write it? Very good. Log of 3 square. So 2 into log 3. So I know 2 into log 3 is how much? 0.477. 0.477. So how much you will be getting? 0.954. 0.954. So let us check it now. Okay. So log of 9 is equals to 0.954. We have also got the same part. Are you getting my point? But do remember, for the further calculations, we will be requiring from log 1 to log 10 values. I have said you, first you have to remember which values. Log 1 you have to remember, that is equals to how much? 0. Log 2 you have to remember, that is 0.3010. Log 3 you have to remember, it is 0.4770. Then you have to remember which one? Log 5. How much it is? 0.698. Then the last one you have to remember log 7, that is 0.8485. Nice number, alva, 0.8485. So if you just remember these 5 log values, another log values, you can easily calculate it. Okay. For our further calculations, we would be requiring these numbers. Is that clear? Okay. So guys, now let us just find log of some numbers. Let me take, for example, I will be solving one first example. I want to find the log of 3.7. I repeat, I want to find the log of 3.7. Till now from the table, we are just knowing the values of what particular whole numbers, 1, 2, 3, like that we were knowing. But now we have given with a point decimal numbers also we have given. So how to find the log of such numbers is very much important. So when I'm seeing this number, the first thing which comes to our mind is what? Okay, whatever this value is there, that has to lie between log 3 value and log 4 value, alva. Yen log 3.7 in yene value bandru, a value adru elter madhyadalli irbeku log 3 and log 4. I know what log 3 I have calculated and I have got the value as how much? 0.4770. Is that clear? Log 4 I have known from the table, that is 0.602. 0.602. This is my part. So what I am saying once again, whatever the value of this log 3.7 is there, it will be greater than 0.4770 but less than 0.602. I have to determine that value. Remember, it is not a whatever the values we are going to get is an approximate method. Okay, approximate value is not an accurate value. But that approximate value is very much important for solving your NEET and JEE. Because you can easily relate the approximate value with your options. You can easily crack your answers from there. Is that clear? Don't use this method in your exams. I repeat, don't use this method in your PU board exams. Okay. Okay. Now let us see how to remember. So of course now we came to know as what? Whatever the log 3.7 value is there, it is going to lie between, it will be greater than 0.4770, less than 0.602. One important thing. Second important thing, remember, whatever this point afterwards point ka baad yavade ಒಂದು number idru, that represents the percentage. ಏನು percentage ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಹೋದ್ರೆ it is 70%. How, sir? That is, when we are doing 70 by 100, I would be getting as what? 0.7. Yes or no? Okay. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಿದು 70% ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ಈ ನಂಬರಿಗೆ ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಆ 70% ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಇದ್ರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಐ ರಿಪೀಟ್, ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಟು ಹಿಯರ್ whatever the numbers you will be having in between whatever the numbers you will be having, that's 70%. ಒಂದು 7 for example, if ಈಗ 50% ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರ ಮಧ್ಯ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಅದು 50% ನಂಬರ್. 70% ಅಂದ್ರೆ 50% ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಗಿಂತ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಯಾವ ತರ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ಮೊದಲೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಸಮ್ ಬ್ರಿಲಿಯಂಟ್ ಫೆಲೋಸ್ ಹೂ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಬಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಡಮ್ ಹೂ ಆರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಮೀ. Okay, so now first what you do, first I'm just giving you step by step. First you take the difference of these two numbers. I repeat, first you take difference of these two numbers. That is difference, you just write it. Okay, difference. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್? ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಲೋಯೆಸ್ಟ್. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 0.602 minus 0.4770. So first you take out the difference of this. How much you will be getting? 0, 5. This will be 2, 1.0. That is 0.1250. What I have done? I have took the difference of the highest minus lowest value. Okay, first we have got the difference. Then what is your task? Is to find the percentage. Percentage calculation. Hagare artha enu sir? Nothing much. Whatever the difference value you have got, that is 0.1250, that you have to multiply with that percentage. That is 70 by 100 ಆದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಉಂಟು ಅದನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸಿಗೋದು ಯಾವುದು? 0.7 ಅಲ್ವಾ? So 0.7. Are you getting my point? 0.1250 is the difference, and this number I have to multiply it. Okay, so let me write this number. It's calculation, multiplication ಮಾಡೋದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Let us take it in the 10 to the power of something. So when I'm shifting the values, I will be getting as 1.250 into 10 to the power of minus 1. Similarly, this can be written as how? Into 7 into 10 to the power of minus 1. Easy ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಈಗ 1.25 into 7 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅವಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Nearly you will be getting as 7 5 is 35. Yeah, 8.750 into 10 to the power of minus 2. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಸುಲಭ ಅಲ್ವಾ? You can easily do it. 8.750 into 10 to the power of minus 2. That means how much you will be getting? 0.00875. 0.0875. Yes or no? 0.0875. Next, the last part. Let me write it downwards. So, ಈ part difference ಆಯ್ತು, percentage calculation ಆಯ್ತು. Next ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Addition ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಏನ್ addition ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಿತ್ತು, ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಬರೋ ನಂಬರ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಬರೋ ನಂಬರ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆ? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೈ ಫೈನಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್. ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್, ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಯೋರ್ ಲಾಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು? ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಆರ್ ಯು ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ ಹಿಂಟ್? That is a common sense you have to use. So now what you will be doing, of course I will add it because subtraction is somewhat difficult when compared to addition. So what we will do, 0.4770 plus 0.8750. So now what you will be getting the answer, how much you will be getting? 0.5645. Yes or no? 0.5645. So now what you will be doing, so this is my value for log of 3.7. Remember, it is an approximate value. Approximate value. Let us now check it. Okay, check madanwe. So log of 3.7 anta helidare. So log 3.7 equals how much? Log of 568 bandide. Namge log of 564 ಬಂದಿದೆ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೀಸನ್ ಐ ಸೆಡ್ ದಟ್ ಅಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮೇಟ್. ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಮಗೆ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು. ಓಕೆ, ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ 1 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕಿಟ್ಟು ಕೂಡ ವಿಚ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಅಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮೇಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಟ್ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್. ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೇಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್? 2 numbers. So 0.56, 0.56. Are you getting my point? How to calculate? See, without using your log table and without using your calculator. Of course, even the first yari video not lengthy and both because I'm giving word to word explanation. But when you try again and again, it will be easy for you, and within a fraction of time, you can only extract the answers. Okay. Now let us do with one more example. Let me take now log of 5.2. Log of 5.2. First ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. log 5 ಮತ್ತೆ log 6 ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ log 5 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ 0.698 ಅಲ್ವಾ, 0.698. log 6 ಎಷ್ಟು 0.778. 0.778. Yes. So first part, what you are going to do? Yeah, the difference. First we'll take the difference. What is the difference? Highest minus lowest. 0.778 minus 0.698. So what is the difference? Calculate it fast. So nearly this will be 0. So we'll be getting as 0.08. Yes or no? 0.08. So the difference is 0.08. Okay, I got my difference. Next is what? Percentage calculation. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು ಸರ್? ಅಫ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ 0.7 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 70%. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಾವು 70% ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ನಂಗೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರಬೇಕು? 20%. Since this 0.2, 20 by 100 gives you 0.2. ಸೊ ಈ ನಂಬರಿನ 20% ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನಂಗೆ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಈಗ ನಾನು 0.08 into 0.2. Once again decimal, let us calculate, convert it to for some 10 to the power of something. So 1, 2, so you'll be getting as 8 into 10 to the power of minus 2 into 2 into 10 to the power of minus 1. Yes. So we'll be getting as 16 into 10 to the power of minus 3 or 0.016. Okay. Next what you have to do, percentage calculation ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ addition. ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆ add ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಲೋವೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರಿಗೆ. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ 0.698 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 0.016. ಹೌ ಮಚ್? 417. ಸೊ 0.714. Are you getting my point? 0.714. So log of 5.2, the value is 2. I am getting approximate. This is an approximate value. I am getting as what? 0.714. Let us check it now. Okay, this is of log 3 points earlier example. Let us now take as log. How much? Where is my 5? Yeah, 5.2. Yes or no? Equals how much? 0.716. 0.714 approximate value we have obtained. Is that clear, guys? Okay. Since we are taking only decimal points ತಗೊಂತ ಇದ್ವಿ, ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೋಣ. ಲೆಟ್ ಮೀ ಟೇಕ್ 172. ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ 172 ಯಾವ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನಾನು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿವಿ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ, ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಟು ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್. ಹೌ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್? So log of 172 can be written as log of 1.72 into 10 to the power of 2. ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದಲ್ವಾ? ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇದೇ ನಂಬರೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So now this is of the format how? Log of a into b. So log of a into b can be written as log of 1.72 plus log of 10 to the power of 2. Can we write it in this way? Yes or no? So now this one I don't know. I can use this method to solve them, but this one I can easily write alva. Log of x to the power of y andre eno 2 into log 10, and from the table I know what is a log 10 is how much? 1. So plus 2. Remember idalli namge ene value siguttalla adukke ನಾವು +2 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಉಂಟಾ? ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋಣ. So now you just do. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು. ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ತೆಗಿಯಕ್ಕೆ ಬರದೇ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಏನ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕೀಗ? ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಈಸಿ. ಲಾಗ್ 1.72 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? ಲಾಗ್ 1 ಮತ್ತೆ ಲಾಗ್ 2 ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ಬೇಕು ನನ್ನ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಲಾಗ್ 1 ಏನು? 0. ಲಾಗ್ 2 ಎಷ್ಟು? 0.3010. ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಇದನ್ನ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಲೋಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 0.3010. ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Percentage calculation. ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಭಾಗ ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ 72%. ಸೊ 1 ಗಿಂತ 2ಗೆ 72% ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಲಾಗಿನ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನಾವು, ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ, ಸೊ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ 0.3010 ಇಂಟು 0.72. ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಂಬರ್ ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಲಾ. ಸೊ 3.010 ಇಂಟು 10 to the power of -1 ಇಂಟು ಇದನ್ನ 72 ಇಂಟು 10 to the power of -2 ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದಲ್ವಾ? ನಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು, 72 ಇಂಟು 3.01 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 72 ಇಂಟು 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 216. Since 0.01 is 216.72. Oh, nice number. 216.72 into 10 to the power of -3. You should be very much quick. ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ನ ಕಲಿತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. You should be very much quick when you are doing multiplication and addition. Because they are simple. Subtraction and division kasta agutte. I also know that. But also you have to develop that technique to do it fast. Okay. So this means 10 to the power of -3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 1 2 3 ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಈ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 1000 ಅಂತ 10 to the power of -3. So 0.21672 ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಲಾಗ್ 1ಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0ಗೆ ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದೇ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ, 0.21672. ಸೊ ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ 1.72 ಎಷ್ಟು, 0.21672. ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅದನ್ನ, ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಬಿಟ್ನಾ, 0.21672. So remember I have said 0.21672 is the value for which one, log of 1.72. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, +2 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 2.21672. 2.21672 ನೋಡನ್ವೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಅರ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಉಂಟಿಲ್ಲಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಲಾಗ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟನಪ್ಪ, 172. ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ 172. So nearly we are getting as 2.23. Here we are getting as 2.216 ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 1 ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು. ಅಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮೇಟ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅನ್ ಅಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮೇಟ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯೋರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್. 2.216 ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಆರ್ ಯು ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್? So this is the way of calculating our log without using your calculator and even our log table. Just by using your pen and paper, we can easily extract the log values. First important thing I'm just explaining once again. You have to know first the values from log 1 to log 10. And in that also we have to remember only log 1, log 2, log 3, log 5 and log 7. Of course log 1 0, log 10 is 1. That will be remembered. Only values is 2, 3, 5, 7. How to remember? 2 andre ivella value ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸಿಗೋದು. ಸೊ 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ +1, 0.3 ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಲಾಗ್ 3 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ 0.4, ಲಾಗ್ 5 ಆಗಿದೆ 0.6, ಲಾಗ್ 7 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ 0.8. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಂಬರ್ ನಾವು ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಲಾಗ್ 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0.3010, ಲಾಗ್ 3 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0.477, log 5 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0.698, log 7 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0.8485. Then easily you can extract other numbers. Is that clear? By practice, you can easily remember all the values. It is only by the practice you can extract this information. Is that clear? So once you have got the values from log 1 to log 10, then let us switch over to some examples. First, what you have to write, first you take the value, log values of the whole numbers. 3.7 andre it will be lying in between log 3 and log 4. Write those values. What is the values of log 3 and log 4? First you take the difference, highest minus lowest. Then what you have to do after point, which represents the percentage. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0.7 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ 70% ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದ್ರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಆ 0.7 ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಈ ತರ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಕಷ್ಟ ಅಂತ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ನಾನು ಸೈಂಟಿಫಿಕ್ ನೊಟೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂತ ಇದೀನಿ, 10 to the power of something. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಂಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬಂತು, 0.0875. ಸೊ ಇದೇನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದಿ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್. ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಈ ನಂಬರಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ನೀವು ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಹಿಂದ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಈ ನಂಬರಿಗೆ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Are you getting my point? So like that if you do, you'll be getting your log value. But in case if you are having some numbers in which there will be no decimal point, try to put it a decimal point. Then do log of A into B, log of A plus log B. Calculate the same method, but do remember whenever you're having like log A plus log B, don't forget to put the or add your value of log B. Okay, this is very much important. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರೋದು ಬರೀ log of 1.72. ಅದೇ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ಲಾಗ್ ಯಾವುದು 172. ಸೊ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರುತ್ತೆ ಆ log B ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನು ಕೂಡ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಸ್ ದಿಸ್, ದೆನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಈಸಿ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ಟು we can carry out this problems easily. Is that clear? Now it may seem lengthy. Okay, now it may seem lengthy, but when you practice it, it will be very quick. In an instant of time, you can easily derive the log values. Is that okay? Okay, best of luck.